Hello and welcome to Maths and Maths. We're continuing the series on the World Cup, and today we're looking at the maths in a football pitch, and my guest presenters are going to tell me what maths, what shapes, what angles, what lines of symmetry they see in a football pitch. So if I start with this beautiful one here, what do we see in the 18-yard box? What have we got there?
A rectangle.
Rectangles, and then what shape have we got there that you've coloured so nicely? What's that?
An arc.
We've got an arc, and that part of a circle is called a segment. Okay, I heard someone whisper there. So if we look at the whole football pitch, we've got several examples here. What is the whole shape of a football pitch?
A rectangle.
A rectangle, and we can see more rectangles there. That's brilliant. Then we've got some parallel lines. Where are the parallel lines on a football pitch? Could you point me out a pair of parallel lines?
There and there.
Okay, so well, that line and that line parallel to that line and that line. Okay, fantastic. Could you show me some lines of symmetry, please?
So lines of symmetry and then lines of symmetry.
Fantastic, because if we were to cut that in half, it's a mirror image there. And another one here. Could you tell me, are there any right angles in this? Could you point out any right angles for me, please? Any ones that are perpendicular? Any lines that are perpendicular? Yeah, that one there. We can see to make the shapes perpendicular to each other. Another example here. Got the circle. Got the arc and the sector. Got some quarter circles there. Parallel lines. And more examples of lines of symmetry. Now, the one thing we haven't looked at is formations that football teams do. Some of you might have heard of the diamond formation, but we don't really talk about diamonds in maths. We talk about rhombus or kites. But yes, triangles, when football teams pass the ball around in a triangle. So we could look at that too. Fantastic. That's maths in football, looking at shapes and lines and angles. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
Fantastic.
Bye.